I didn't fart, I just made that noise. Alright. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I'm here for another fucking banger. Another video, another day. Oh, that's why my dog is tripping. Because her ball's inside the freaking house. Latina. Nice kick. All of you, some of you don't know already, I did get a new car. So I am going to be showing you guys a few clips of that. I did take some B-roll footage because I was recording for my TikTok. And doing, you know, some edits for Instagram and all that bullshit and whatnot. I can't believe it. It's one of my dream cars. And, you know, the only way from here is up. So we're gonna keep going, definitely. I know I've been slacking the videos. Just been slacking everything, to be honest, besides work. I let work get to me and get fucking super busy. And, yeah. But no, we back on this shit. We're gonna get back into the fucking videos. Get back into all the bullshit, everything. And yeah, you guys are gonna see what car I got and roll the footage. In this video too, I'm also gonna be showing you guys, I got a bunch of footage. I went to the DDE block party. Yeah, that's also gonna be in the video.
Wait, what? Behind the Honda.
Are you good? You're good. Very nice IS. It's like my color too. Someone's already getting pulled over there. Ferrari. Hidden Hills, dope ass YOLO. Yeah. That shit's V8. Need for speed.
But I doubt any of us, which would be me.
That thing's clean as fuck. Can't see my type of shit. Huh? It's double track hawk. for sure need me one of these. Yeah. Clean. My girlfriend's leaving me.
You stopped holding my hand.
Mics are already out of date.
I love you,
my friend. Feel free to grab Nico and ask him anything to do with wine.
Pretty impressive. She looks so cool. Very nice. GTR. Oh yeah.